What's up, everybody? Scott here. Wanted to show you these windshield wipers that I got from my 2015 Toyota RAV4 real quick. This is just an off-brand that I wanted to put on my car. So obviously this is the package it comes in. These are I believe it's a 26-inch and a 16-inch and a 10 for the back. So there's some instructions on the back, and we'll go ahead and take them out of the box. All right, got these out of the box here. So here's a little user guide it comes with, so you want to flip through that first. If I had another hand, I'd open it up better for you. So make sure you follow those instructions. So here's the one, looks like for the back windshield. And this is the smaller one, obviously, and the larger one. So I'll go ahead and put these on the car and show them to you on the car when they're done. Okay, so I'm about to install these on the car. Like I said, I got the instruction manual open. So here's the steps here. You want to follow them. There is a back side. Here's the back side. So make sure you follow these steps as you install them. As you can see here, right there. So we'll go ahead and open these up and put them on. All right, so to install these, I have the J-hook fit, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow these instructions here. Here's the cap right here that I gotta pop up to fit the J-hook in there. So we'll go ahead and put those on there. All right, so before you install these, you want to, as the instructions say, you want to take off this green protective cover. Just slip it off. So got it off there, and we'll go ahead and slip the J-hook through there. All right, so got the cap flipped up, got the J-hook installed there, so we'll go ahead and hook it in. It just hooked in there, and then we'll push this cap back down. So got that one in there, and then we'll go ahead and do the others. All right, so I took my other windshield wiper off, the large one. So this is I believe the 26-inch one. Got the cap off of it so I can slip the J-hook in right there. So we'll go ahead and do that. Go ahead and snap it into the J-hook here. So like I said, I got this cap undone, and then I'll try to do this with one hand here. If not, I'll just show it when it's done. All right, you do need two hands, or at least I did, to snap it in there, but it's pretty easy, and it's snapped onto that J-hook again. And then all you'll do is just close that cap, and then you've got it installed. So there's that one. Now we'll do the back one. So once you have that undone and the wiper blade like this, it's pretty easy to come off. So basically you just turn it like this, and then you just slide it out a little groove it's in. There you go, it just slips out of that little, and then I'll put the other one in. So here's the new one, just slips in there, let it snap in, turn it, put it down, put this piece back on, and then you're good to go. All right, so I got the windshield wipers installed. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little windshield washer fluid here and see how they work. So it looks like they work pretty good. As you can see it cleaning the windshield right there. And there's the back windshield wiper. So we'll go ahead and do that one. You can see there, does a pretty good job. So that's it.